Site 42.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in southeastern Missouri, southern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri, southeastern St. Francis County in southeastern Missouri until 7:15 a.m. At 6:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Kaufman to 6 miles northeast of Saco, or along a line from 10 miles east of Farmington. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in southeastern Missouri, 60 miles per hour in gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fredericktown, Cobalt, Junction City, Kaufman, and Knobloch around 6:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include 911, Catherine Place. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Iron County in southeastern Missouri, southwestern Madison County in southeastern Missouri, eastern Reynolds County in southeastern Missouri until 7:45 a.m. At 6:56 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Reynolds to near Ellington, or along a line from 25 miles southwest of Ironton to 34 miles southwest of Ironton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ellington and Reynolds around 7 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Sabula and Chloride. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Here are some.
Tornado warning for Madison and Reynolds.
The cities of St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Iron County in southeastern Missouri, southwestern Madison County in southeastern Missouri, east central Reynolds County in southeastern Missouri until 7:45 a.m. At 7:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Ellington, or 23 miles southwest of Ironton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. This tornado will be near Annapolis around 7:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Redford, Centerville, Lesterville, Chloride, Sabula, and Hogan. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service is located 8 miles north of Ellington, or 23 miles southwest of Ironton, moving northeast at 45 miles. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be tornadoes. caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh. KREI.
It creates chronic and kill anxiety.
This tornado will be near Minneapolis around 750 and Hogan. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Redford, Centerville, Lesterville, Chloride, Sabula, and Hogan. In a mobile home, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. Yourself from flying debris outdoors. In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
There is no.
Literally a SVR and not even about, I don't know how long, couple minutes, and then tornado warning. That's crazy.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for Madison County in southeastern Missouri until 8 a.m. At 7:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line from 7 miles north of Saco to near Saco, or along a line from 12 miles southeast of Ironton to 20 miles
southwest of Fredericktown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. So
radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes
Here you go.
Fredericktown and Junction City around 7:40 a.m. Other locations affected by the tornado include Catherine Place. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Protect yourself from flying debris. Here is your 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar indicated threat. Tornado warning for. The following impacts are expected. Debris will be dangerous to those.
The cost of
The hard skills, soft skills are about how you do the job.
Other locations impacted by the tornado include Catherine Place. Outdoors. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
coverage of tornado warning, severe weather coverage here on AM 1240 KFMO and B 104.3.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bollinger County in southeastern Missouri, northwestern Scott County in southeastern Missouri, southwestern Cape Girardeau County in southeastern Missouri, northeastern Stoddard County in southeastern Missouri until 8:30 a.m.
from my end.
At 7:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Advance, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Girardeau County, Missouri.
Takes on 93.
Southeastern Bollinger County in southeastern Advance, Oran, Benton, Kelso, Bell City, Delta, Judgetown, Cape Girardeau Airport, Allenville, and Lambert. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 81 and 95. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 81 and 95. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Scott, and Stoddard.
KG mode is really quiet.
Bills in half. Still.
All right.
Tonight, clear.